Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Explore. In this tutorial, we are going to assemble Boxer 8 engine. So let's start. From File, select New, then select Assembly, then click OK. Select Boxer 8 crankshaft, then click Open. Click it where you want to put it. Then right click over this part and select Float. Right click over the right plane and select Normal to. Right click again and select Sketch. Select Center Line. Draw a vertical and a horizontal center line connecting the origin point. Now exit the sketch. Now press Ctrl and select this surface and this line. Then click on Mate. Select Concentric. Then click OK. Now select this surface and select this vertical line. Then select Coincident. Then click OK. Now you can see the part can rotate freely. Right click over the top plane and select Normal. Right click again and select Sketch. Select Center Line. Put the cursor over this edge and the middle point will be shown. Draw a line from the previous center line in line with the midpoint. Now similarly draw another line in opposite direction. As in Boxer engine, the adjacent pistons are directed in opposite direction. Now repeat these two processes. Now exit the sketch. Select Insert Component and select the first 7 components and click on Open. For each click, that part will be placed on that location. Now press Ctrl and select the tangential surface of the ring and the cylindrical pocket of the piston. Then click on Mate. Then select Concentric and click OK. Lower the piston. Then select the upper surface of the ring and select the upper surface of the piston pocket and select Coincident and click OK. Expand Insert Component and select Copy with Mates. Select the ring and select Next. Now it asks for the concentric relation, so select the cylindrical pocket. Then it asks for the coincident, so select the upper surface of the pocket. Now select the tangential surface of the weld ring. Then press Ctrl and select the cylindrical surface of the pocket. Then click on Mate. Select Concentric, then click OK. Now lower the piston, then select this surface and this surface. Then select coincident, then click OK. Now expand insert component and select copy with maps. Select this ring and go to next. Select the cylindrical surface and then select the lower surface. Then click OK. Now close the mate. Now press Ctrl and select the tangential surface of the expander and the cylindrical surface of the pocket. Then click OK. Now lower the piston and select this edge and select this surface. Then select coincident and click OK. Now select the internal surface of the hole and outer surface of the piston pin. Select concentric and click OK. Now expand piston and select front plane. Now press Ctrl and expand the piston pin and select the front plane. Then click on mate. Select concentric and click OK. Now select this surface and the piston pin surface. Select concentric and click OK. Close it and select the front plane of the piston. Press Ctrl and select the front plane of the connecting rod. Then click on mate. Select concentric and click OK. Now click this part, right click over it and select move with triode. Select this surface. Press Ctrl and select this surface. Then click on mate. Select coincident and click OK. Now select this hole and this hole. Click on concentric and click OK. Similarly for this side also. Expand advanced mate and select width. Select this surface and this surface. And select this surface and this surface. So these two surfaces will be placed in between of the previous two. Then click OK. Select concentric and click on this surface and this surface. Then click OK. Now select the cylindrical surface of the piston. Select concentric and select the center line that we created previously. Unfortunately, it has rotated in opposite direction. So drag it to bring it in proper direction. Then click OK. Then close the mate. Now we need to fix the gaps of the ring. The first two rings will be in 180 degrees with each other. So drag it in opposite direction. And the welding gaps will be located in 90 degrees with first two gaps. Now we need to lock the rotation of the mates. So expand mate, right click over the relation and select edit feature. Click on lock rotation and click OK. You can see a blue dot appear as it means that the rotation is locked. Repeat the process for rest of the rings. If you get confused which relation you have to select, then put the cursor over that relation and you can see the color will be changed. That will help you to identify the proper relation. Now expand insert component and select copy with mates. Click on the bodies that need to be copied. Now click on next. At first it asks for width, so select these two surfaces. Then it asks for concentric, so select this surface. Then again concentric, so select the center line. Then click OK. Now repeat this process. The piston is placed in opposite direction here, so drag it to make it in right direction. Now check the assembly. Go to file and save it.